Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Omicron variant are the dominant strain of COVID-19 where they in a Jamaica now. Mark Golding, who the opposition leader, said Prime Minister Andrew Holness must fire Dr. Horace Chang as Minister for National Security. The government are trying to put off the local government election until February next year. Keith Wellington, who the president for the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, I tell the government that them never go against the COVID-19 rule them at the Manning and Costa Cup final them. Now for the full tour of them. The Omicron variant are the dominant strain of COVID-19 where they in a Jamaica now. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said this yesterday when he did a talk in the House of Representatives. Him said between December 21 to 24, them do some tests and 93% of the sample tests positive for the Omicron variant. On top of that, Holness said the daily curfew still going to stay from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. until February 10. Mark Golding, or the opposition leader, said Prime Minister Andrew Holness must fire Dr. Horace Chang as Minister for National Security. Mr. Golding said Dr. Chang nah do nothing right. Mr. Golding said the 15.5% of murder gone up by since the start of the year are frightening people and Dr. Chang must get fired cause it shows that he nah do one good job. On top of that, Golding said the police commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, have 60 days to get crime under control or left the work. The government are trying to put off the local government election until February next year. Them care one bill when in postponement of elections to municipal corporations and city municipalities Act 2022 in the House of Representatives yesterday. But local government minister Desmond McKenzie said the COVID-19 situation bad in Jamaica right now with Omicron, so them have to put off the election, especially like our picnic just start go back to face-to-face class. Professor Alvin Wint get the work as chairman for the Art NSTA Trust. The Office for the Prime Minister OPM says 6 new directors and Professor Wint are one of them get put on the board from January 17. Them join 9 other directors who start work from March last year. One day, the Jamaica Education Transformation Commission put out one report that says some change have to make to how the Art NSTA Trust are run for the betterment of the country. The OPM said the board have got change to meet the training needs of people in Jamaica and them are go watch and see what go on. Gunman shot and killed one woman and shot her son in a Great River St. James yesterday. The dead woman, a 52 years old Rose Christian. According to the police report, little after 2 p.m. Mrs. Christian and her son did there one cook shop for them run when gunman walk up and shot them up. Mrs. Christian at the 24th somebody get killed in a St. James and the 6th woman get killed in the west part of Jamaica since the year start. Now for sports. Keith Wellington, or the president for the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, I tell the government so them never go against the COVID-19 rule them at the Manning and Costa Cup final. The government is send funds now for the final for try to stop the virus from spread. But some talk makes a crowd did there. But Mr. Wellington said the people them who did there the match are part of the workers for the 2 teams and people who work on radio and TV who did a talk on the match. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.